Hi Simon, Phil Beever here from the Wilderness Club. Just want to recap on your lesson this evening. So first things first, if we look at your grip here on the right hand side, I know we can't zoom in, but this left hand you're showing about 4 knuckles. Okay, that's a bit too strong. We need to get 2 to 2.5 maximum. Okay, so I want you to rotate that hand underneath, so that just got that a little bit more passive, and stick the left thumb down the shaft, down the middle of the grip. The right hand, your thumb will form a crease, okay, between that and the index finger, and that should point between your chin and your right shoulder, so somewhere sort of on this line here. Now with yours, you can't even see your crease because it's pointing somewhere over there, so it's very, very underneath what we call strong grip. Now that whole setup, Simon, messes up your initial part of your swing. So if we look on your swing here, as you start back, we're going to see as you get halfway back here, the club face is pointing straight to the floor, so it's completely closed. We should be getting the toe of the club there, which we can see there is facing the floor, to 90 degrees. So I actually want the toe to be pointing straight up into the sky. And then you've got no chance of doing that with the grip in that position. And what that's done, it's forced you to try and sort of scoop the ball into the air. So when you do hit these, you can see here the club face again is shut there. It should be at a 45-degree angle. So the only way you've been able to hit it straight is to sort of back up and hit the shot, but scoop the ball in the air. So here you can see you've tried to scoop it, but you've finned it, so the golf ball's going along the floor now. And that was very common with your swing today. And also we can see here the face is again shut. But you've had to make compensations, and then sometimes you'd hit one and it would just snap hook into the trees over there where the club face is very shut. So needed to change that grip. So we need to get a left hand with 2 knuckles, right crease between the thumb and index finger pointing between chin and right shoulder. Okay, and then from there, feel like you rotate the club face open as you take it away for me. That'll make a big difference, and you started to then get some flight trajectory and actually start to get the thing in the air. At the moment, put the ball in a T-peg. Okay, just give yourself a bit of confidence, because we need to start seeing the ball going up in the air. And you gained about 50 yards, maybe 40 yards to 50 yards with that club you was hitting, purely by getting some rotation, but now correct. Next thing we worked on really was posture. For me here, you're quite straight. Okay, I'd like to see a little bit more sort of flex like this. You know, so I want you to feel like your knees hang over your shoelaces at least. So a bit more flex, bum out, and that just makes your life a bit easier to turn. And then I ask you to address the ball in line with the ball, say where this yellow line is, and draw it straight, there you go. And then I ask you to hit the ground in front. So you've got new setup over here, grip, right hand grip, okay, rotate the club face open on the way back, new posture. So most of it's all set up. Rotate the club face open on the way back after you've set up with the new grip and posture, and then from there you just got to feel like you hit through the ball and at the ground, and that will make a big difference. And I look forward to seeing you soon.